My assistant said you have a toothache. How long have you had it?
For about 24 hours. I've had trouble with this tooth before. My dentist at home said that it would eventually have to be removed.
Let me take a closer look. I concur with your dentist. The tooth has to come out.
Will it hurt?
Not too much. I'll give you some Novocaine to make the tooth numb.
When will you remove it?
It should come out right now.
All right. Go ahead. What a way to end my stay in the U.S.
When are you leaving?
I have to see an attorney in the morning. My flight home is late tomorrow afternoon, around 6 p.m.